Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the headband hair bow for Kiki from Kiki's delivery service. For Kiki's headband, I'm just going to be covering a headband that I got from the dollar store, and I traced around the headband and cut two of the pieces out of red fabric, and one of them has some fusible interfacing attached to it. Then we're going to cut two of the base bow pieces, and one of them has interfacing, and then we're going to cut a smaller rectangle to use as the knot of the bow. Putting right sides together, we're going to sew the two headband pieces together, starting from near the edge, around the end, around the other side, and up. And we're going to leave a very large area open so that we can slide the headband in. Turn the cover right side out and slip the headband inside. Next, we're going to fold the raw edges inward, and now we're going to hand sew the hole closed. To make the base bow, we're going to put right sides together for the large rectangles and sew them together all along the edge, leaving a space so it can be turned right side out. Turn the rectangle right side out. Since Kiki's bow is normally drawn as being very puffy, I put a little bit of some plushy stuffing in on either side of the bow to give it a little bit more poof. And now we're going to sew the hole closed. To make the knot of the bow, we're going to fold the knot piece in half and sew it together along the side. Turn the tube right side out. Then we're going to fold over the edges and sew them into place. Wrap the knot piece around the center of the bow, around both the headband and the base bow piece, and hand sew it into place along the bottom of the headband. And with that, Kiki's bow is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!